Union Home Minister Amit Shah has assured the 10 autonomous councils and territorial councils from the Northeast to resolve all their issues and concerns on the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019, which proposes to amend the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Addressing the media in New Delhi yesterday, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member Pinyat Singh Aim informed that a forum of the 10 autonomous councils and territorial councils of the Northeast will again meet in Shillong on August 10th to further deliberate on the various issues relating to the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule of the Constitution.
Kekenhun joki Autonomous District Council napo Northeast Ibrahimaway berbentuk naduk ya ka Territorial Council nangta ka Badalan Territorial Council Kalbi Anglong nangta ka di Mahasau ka Khasi Hills, Gent Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Batmara baru sepuluh ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini kami buat nampak Delhi baru kunjuk niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang buat Union Home Minister Amit Shah pan ia pensnow penpau ke jing dan kam ke jing akabide berkaitan dengan schedule amendment